We got goodies. Guess what came in today? Getting stoked. I got this puppy all cleaned up. Well, this half is 95% done. I just need to clean her all down. So let's see what's in here. Ugh. Damn peanuts. Rings, I believe. Yes, ring pack. And these are cam follower, lifters, whatever you want to call them. That's the cam I'm using. Mark from CB Performance. I can't talk today. Says this is a good cam for single high-rev springs because I did not want to go larger and have to put in double springs. That says it all right there. Stroke it. What else? Anything else in here? I don't think I ordered anything else. When more stuff is coming, I had to call him back a couple days later and say, yeah, I need this and I need this. Sorry for the shaky camera work. I actually ordered a tripod and a mic so my voice doesn't go in and out. We will see how that all works out. Since I mentioned that, I did become an Amazon affiliate, so I have parts lists on a bunch of my videos. So like, subscribe, order stuff, donate. There's a PayPal donate in there. It helps build my channel, and I'm going to keep going with this channel. So you're going to see if that engine is going to work on my first build, or if I blow it up, or I install it and it just grenades. Who knows? We've never done this before. I'm not an engine guy. Well, this looks cool. 76 CB Performance stroker crank. I have the other one over here, and I don't know if you watched the other video or not. It's got scoring on a couple of the journals here, so it's not good. So we ordered a new one. Let's see if I can balance my phone and stay. Open this up. Pulling, no dropping. Oh yeah, that looks so much prettier than the one that's in there, and it's coated in oil. Beautiful. I am happy. Okay.